Ooh, how do I pick one? Okay, this one. Ah, this one looks so cool, but it looks so complicated. How do I get started?
Okay, well, dude, you actually picked up a really easy kit, believe it or not. That's actually really easy to do. That is a Gundam HG kit, okay? So you just need to pick up one of these bad boys, okay? And you need to get yourself a pair of nippers, and that's all you need to build that. Because seriously, dude.
A nipper only, I don't need
only the nippers.
glue.
You don't need glue, you don't need anything. All of the colors on that are already like modeled in the runners. Like,
oh, so I don't need to paint?
No, you don't need to paint. It comes with cool stickers. Well, for a beginner, they come with cool stickers, and you got a manual and all that stuff. So guys, if you want to look at like starting your Gundam journey and you want to pick up your first kit, look out for something with an HG logo on it, and get yourself some good nippers, and you'll be set to build Gundam. And if you're wondering,
where can I get that?
well, you can find them on our website actually, gunplasa.com. Link should also be in the description below, otherwise you're already on the website and you're looking for your first kit, so get yourself one of these bad boys and some of these.
Okay, cool. Boom. Sweet. Right.
Until next time, guys, remember,
keep on building joy. Perfect. That was cheesy, yeah, but it's awesome. It's like it's wholesome cheesy.